Welcome to Math Mastery Challenges. Today's topic geometric shapes. Today we are going to embark on a fantastic journey into the world of geometric shapes. Have you ever looked around and noticed how shapes are everywhere? From the sun in the sky to the buttons on your shirt. Shapes are all around us. Let's dive in and discover the existing world of shapes and where we can find them in our everyday lives. What are geometric shapes? Geometric shapes are like puzzles that fit together perfectly. They have special names and unique features. We will explore some of these amazing shapes and learn how to spot them. The circle. Meet the circle. It is round and does not have any corners. Have you seen a bicycle wheel? Or maybe a ME pizza? Those are some examples of circles. The oval. Now let's meet the oval. It's like a squished circle. Have you ever seen an egg? That is a great example of an oval shape. The triangle. Say hello to the triangle. It has three sides and three corners. Think of a slice of watermelon or a roof on a house. Those are like triangles. The square. Next step, we have the square. It is a four-sided shape with all sides equal in length. Look around. Do you see any windows with square panes? What about your tablet? The rectangle. Here comes the rectangle. It looks like a stretched out square with two long sides and two short sides. Your classroom might have rectangular desks and books are often rectangulars too. The hexagon. Say hello to hexagons. Hexagons have six-sided and they are nature's favorite shape. Look at a honeycomb and you will see hexagons made by busy bees. The octagon. Let's uncover the octagon. Octagons are like stop signs. They have 8 sides. They might look tricky, but they are super cool shapes. Thank you.